You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Where is KFC relocating to? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. Let's talk about KFC's big move. KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, the iconic brand with a deep Southern charm and roots, announced a very bold move. Moving out of, you can almost guess it, out of Kentucky and relocating its US corporate headquarters from Louisville in Kentucky to Plano in Texas. This decision, made by the parent company Yum Brands, signals a strategic shift aligning with its broader corporate relocation needs and maybe global expansion. Let's talk a bit about KFC. We all know KFC as the chicken brand par excellence. The KFC story starts and dates back about 75 years. To Harlan Sanders, known as the Colonel, who started serving fried chicken to travelers on a roadside motel in Corbin, Kentucky. From these humble beginnings, KFC expanded globally. It is now a fast food powerhouse. Today, it operates under the Yum Brands, which owns Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, and the Habit Burger Grill. It's headquartered in Kentucky since its formation in 1997 after a spin-off from PepsiCo. Yum Brands now has thousands of restaurants in over 150 countries. The strategic move leads to the question, why? Why is KFC moving? The move to Plano aligns with the growing trend of many corporate relocations, which go into fostering brand business, fostering innovation, and going into cities where they can hire the right talent and also where they are closer to some of owners or representatives. Yum Brands CEO David Gibbs announced that he's consolidating teams from different brands all the way together in Plano, Texas, which is part of the Dallas-Fort Worth complex. Maybe interesting to think that there's also a great connection out of the Dallas-Fort Worth airport. But whatever it is, many companies relocated to Dallas-Fort Worth, giants like Toyota, JP Morgan Chase, and Liberty Mutual. So if all those big companies go to Plano, go to the Dallas-Fort Worth region, why not Kentucky Fried Chicken? Several reasons favor Texas. There is a discussion about lower corporate taxes. There's a discussion about lower regulations in Texas. And of course, there's a thriving ecosystem for businesses. With no state income tax and lots of pro-business policies, the state continues to lure in companies who seek opportunities as well as cutting costs and finally have access to a large and ever-growing skilled workforce. What are some legal considerations if you are thinking about relocating your corporate headquarters? It boils down to different jurisdictions have different requirements with labor law, with franchise law, with international contracts, with the enforcement of contracts. So the relocation to Texas could lead into a big discussion about how lawyers and their internal teams need to change franchise agreements and contracts. From an international perspective, I don't see too many real impacts. However, the choice of law may differ. If companies are bound under Kentucky law, they may be bound in the future under Texas law only if KFC changes the corporate agreements. Otherwise, KFC may be finding itself for years to litigate in Kentucky. What are lessons for global business leaders? Number one, location matters. The magic of real estate matters in business as well. It's about location, location, location. A good location or a good relocation should be done in an area where you can find the right talent, where you can find the right business climate for you to grow. The big question for you is, what are you considering? What are you considering as a bold move to make your company positioned right and prosperous for the future.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.